Whenever I carve anything, I have a wet towel underneath of it to stabilize the board, because you're moving that heavy turkey around. You don't want the board to move around. It's less likely that you're going to cut yourself if you have a stable board. Also, I have my steel, my carving knife. I always have a little serrated knife. You can have a big serrated knife. This is a great knife. It's a shoe knife. It's got the nice little teeth, and that helps really cut the turkey nicely. You take your serrated knife or your carving knife, doesn't matter which, and you follow the cuts down like this. And you listen for the knuckle. Where the knuckle is, the joint comes together. Oh, there it is. I heard it. There it is. So it comes off perfectly. So that's this is called your first cut. Then we're going to do the same thing with the other side. And we're going to now carve down the, oh, there's the crack. There's the knuckle. I listen for that. And then it's just a cut through there. There it is right there. Nice drumstick. And now we can take the dark meat off you're going to run it right down the bone. Having the nice serrated knife is great because it cuts really right through it. You want to cut fairly thick slices, 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch. Keep all that dark meat nicely together. The other thing I like to do when I'm doing this is you got to make sure you're not over an air conditioning unit. You keep it kind of warm by keeping this close by, with a little tin foil. Okay, now think of the second cut. The second cut now is the breasts. I'm just going to find the bone right at the top, the breastbone, and I make an incision like this on one side of that breastbone. Follow it down to where the wishbone is. I get my fingers here and I can kind of see what's going on. At that point I can get in here and take the wing off. I'm going to leave the other part there for a second. And now I've got this all the way here. And there I've got the turkey breast now that I can slice perfectly against the grain. Okay, so now I've got the breasts all ready to go. I flip it over, and my favorite part right here is the oyster, which is right in there. I grab that out of there while I've got the whole thing. And that is the best part of the whole turkey right there. I don't tell anybody about it unless they're in the kitchen helping me. All right, the carcass is now ready for a stock pot. I'm going to slice the breasts and the rest of the wing. Separate this. Those wants the whole wing will be right over here. And now it's time for rest. So we're going to look under here. We're going to look which way the grain's going. Well, it's going this way. So now we're going to cut against the grain in about, 1/4 inch thick slices. And the thicker slices, they stay hotter a little longer. And I'm calibrating how many people I'm serving. Let's say this is probably enough for my family right here, family of 8, whoever's with us. So here we go. It's just like this. And I probably don't need right now to cut the rest of it. It'll just dry out, so I'm going to leave it. I might take a few of these pieces and throw them right here. Then I've got a little extra stock right here. I've strained all the grease off of it. I put a little extra stock to make sure it's nice and hot before it goes out. That is how we do our Thanksgiving turkey.